Assalamualaikum viewers. This reading is about your marriage day, your wedding day. How is it going to be? What is it's like to be happy? And what's happiness is in this situation? There is two piles. This one is the crystal necklace. The number two is blue colored earring. Whichever you are attracted most, choose that pile. I'm going towards my pile number one. Those who choose pile number one and this crystal necklace, your reading is there's something happening over here. This is the justice card and this is upside down. There's not some kind of justice over here. Maybe through this marriage you are coming out of your bad time. This is kind of some bad judgment. This is not good. This decision is not good over here. Maybe this decision to marry that person or that family or at that day, something is not going well over here. And after that card you have the second card, Knight of Cups. Some is upside it is someone is giving you their heart to you. They are coming towards you with lots of love, and at this upside down they are not giving their heart to you. They are not in love with you. This marriage is likely forceful to them. Someone forced them towards this marriage. Temperance. In this situation you have to be patient. Your heart, maybe your heart will break with this situation when you know that he or she is not in love with you. They don't want you. They don't love you. You are heartbroken. You are holding your whole life, your whole world in your hand. You are protecting it. Okay, maybe at that day you know that they are not in love with you. Yes, they don't want to begin any life, their home life with you. Yes, and then maybe you are like this person to decide what you want to do now, or they are not able to decide if they want you or the other person, because they are not wise over there. They are not wise. Someone is telling them to marry you and they are forcefully doing it. That's why they are not using their mind. They are not wise over here. Or maybe they are doing it but they are not so wise, or they are not so clever to think that if they want you or someone else, childlike person, yes, you have to do some decision over here, make some decision. And if you make the right decision, you are going to have some kind of prize. If you are choosing the wrong one, you have to have some bad time with this. Fast energy, fast moving energy in passion, in love, in attracted towards someone. You or that person have to make that decision. It may be you or if it's that person. Why are they not that wise at this situation? Maybe they are thinking about someone else, or they are married to someone else before and you are their second person. And maybe it's for you, and you are loving someone else, you are married to someone else. and that they are the second person. There is the both situations. You need the strength over here. Definitely you need strength over this situation. If someone knows that they are not loving by their life partner, by their husband or wife, then they have to need uh, this strength, this patience at that time, because at that time, at that day, nothing going, you can do nothing. At the, when all of the guests are there, what do you do at that time? You can do nothing. And four of cups with this card, they are not oh okay, yes, I think they are going to think about you little bit. If this card is upside like this, they are not thinking about you, they are not happy with you. But I think that something happening over here at that time. Maybe someone tell that at this time nothing going to happen now, because the time is over, now you have to do this. Maybe they are thinking about you at this moment. Six of cups, yes, maybe you are there from their past life. They are thinking about someone from their past life over here. The sun card is upside down. That means that nothing good going to happen between this thing. Let go control of let go of control issues, and allow this situation to unfold naturally. Definitely you know what this card is going to tell you. You have to leave this situation. Allah will make it better, or your God will make something good for you. Wedding, this wedding is going to happen. You are going to marry with them, but they are not happy with this, or you are not very happy with them. Wedding, this situation involves marriage. Yes, you can see that she is looking at that person, at towards her husband, and he is not looking at her. He is looking at someone else, at the cameraman or someone else. That's the situation. uh, Romance, maybe when this is let go control issues are here, maybe universe will give you their romance. They will love you. Someone is here that are not letting them to love you, but also they are thinking about you, and they are going to love you. Okay, not as much as they love the other person, or not as much as you are thinking, but they are going to love you. Yes. And eclipse mermaid, a powerful energy shift, and this is the upside down. With this card, this is not the good situation. This marriage not going to happen, but this is from universe. Some universe thinks something good for you, but this is situations this situation is not good. What the advice for okay, honeymoon, you are going to honeymoon, you are going to have your good life. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. You are going to enjoy the time with them. Maybe they are not telling you yet, or they are yes, when maybe someone is going to tell them that this is not good thing to do towards you, or you are not good towards them, and they are changing their behavior towards you. Yes. With healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Maybe something with their parents, they are angry. Yes, maybe they are angry with their parents, that they force them to marry you. That's what the situation over here. At the bottom of the deck, stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Yes, the God will bring you romance. There is a romance card. They are not. They are addicted to someone else. They are bound to someone else, chained to someone else, but they are coming towards you. Yes, that's what I have for you for today. If you want to know something else, then check out my other readings. You will see something new in this on that thing, and um, I will make more videos, and you can see that also. You can have some advice or this situation over that videos. Now this is the reading for you. I hope you like it, or this situation give you some advice about this situation. And please like, share, subscribe this reading. If this reading resonates you, then tell me, and with lots of love and good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my reading number 2. Those who choose the pile number 2 or the blue earring reading, your reading is your marriage day or wedding day is not as happy as you think. There is something not good in this situation. Someone, maybe you are, or that they are not seeing this situation as attractive as it will be. With this situation, maybe they are going to see the truth in this situation, and they just see that this situation is not going to fulfill their emotions, their their prayers, their wishes, because this is a wishes come true card, and they are not saying that with this card in this situation with you, they are not happy with you. Yes. They are unfolded their shell, their curtains over their head or their face. They are telling you that they are not happy with you, but they are not going to let you go, or not going to leave you with this card upside down, because when this is upside, someone is cutting someone from their life, and they are not cutting you from their life, but they know that, or you will going to know that they are not happy with you, they are not in love with you, you are not their wishes, you are not their hopes. They are, or you are waiting for someone else over here with 3 of Wands. Someone is waiting for someone else uh, from a long time. Yes, they want to move from here, move from this situation towards someone else. Yes, 6 of Pentacles. This card is also upside down. There's not a little bit attraction in this situation. This situation is not moving forward, I think so. You both are not in love with each other. I think that you both are giving this energy. This is not from one person. Maybe one person tell the other that they don't love them, and the other also break with them, or don't talk to them. Yes, don't speak with each other. You both are in this situation. 4 of Swords, in resting mood, in sadness, mourning. What is happened to us? Yes, you are mourning about this situation. Yes, 10 of Pentacles is upside down. The happy home life, the happy money and home life. This is upside down. You both are not happy with this situation. 3 of Cups. Maybe this wedding is not going to happen, or maybe for some of you there is no wedding over here, and for some of you this situation is not as happy as it should be. You see the perspective at the right side, and you know that you are not stuck over here. You can leave them. or they can leave you. You both can leave each other. You're not stuck over here. You know that. Maybe all other persons are knowing that, but you are leaving. Maybe some of you are leaving, going towards um, your love person, or maybe you are not going to leave each other because of someone you love, you respect. Maybe your fathers, maybe some your grandfather or someone else. Yes, pay attention to red flags. The signs are cautioning you. The signs are cautioning you that this is not the right thing to do over the lovers situation. They also don't love you, and you are not in love with them. Dress of alchemy, release your power with this card upside. You have to release your anger, your hate, your uh, fighting urge, and at this upside down, you are not going to let them, these bad thinkings, go. You are taking them inside your heart, inside your mind, with this spider card. Spider, great focus, 8 legs and eyes. 8 means balance. They try to find happy medium for aggression. They think that they are balanced, whereas they ignore the facts that do not tend to think so much. Specialization in feelings, answers are in intuitions. Yes, your answers are in your intuitions. Think what is right for you, what is wrong, and what is right for all of you, for your families. Okay, because the marriage is in between the families, not in between two persons in Asia. It is also theme of a cycle between life and death. Yes, this is like this, and it is written like this, and this is a circle. This is happening again and again and again. Some kind of cycle. Maybe you are not going to leave this situation. This is a fated situation. This is going to happen once. If this is not in this time, this will going to happen in future for some of you. Okay, creation and destruction. Yes, with creation and then also destruction. Hourglass is shape of 8, where time runs off. Life is death and born. Life keeps changing. One thing rather satisfy them. Number 8, create energy. Great manifestors. Yes, you can manifest this relationship. You can make it better. Issue control. Do not want to control by others. Championship manifestors. Money maker, they might not need it, but they make it. Money is always there when they need. Huge amount of physical security. Aggressive, forceful. Don't want anybody to control them. Yes, you both don't want to control you. Yes, it's up to you both. If you want that thing, that you make it, and if you don't want, then nobody can force you to make it. Know how to make money. Originators with unique creations, mostly nearsighted or blind in some manners. Yes, you are both are blinded over this situation, because if this, when this happened, you have to mend your heart with each other. You have to love each other. Not trusting on what they are seeing, not trusting the system, can only be seen through vibration, can only see through their guts. If they does not cast good vibrations from someone, that means that they are not exactly good for them. Highly observative, deeply observe, observable, moody, work on psychic ability, sensitive, hard exterior, never forgive easily, taking revenge, do anything to keep you out of their lives. I think at this situation, maybe you have the No, you're not right. Okay. Make strong webs around their selves to make others distance from their selves might others hurt them. Creative. Yeah, you are making your webs around you. You are making some kind of wall around you. Uh, both of you doing this to keep each other far from you. Master of their fate. You are going to make your fate by your own hand. There is no one to uh, going to make this situation better. They are only you two. Acha, attentive to your thoughts. Sorry. Otherwise you will lose urge you have manifest. Can regrow, get going, let go. This situation can be can regrow. Sorry. If we want to realize self-confidence, faith in ourselves, incredible movement towards joy, naturally thinking work for them, move fearly or consciously. Blood color is blue. What is our throat chakra? That is our throat chakra. Yes. The spider's blood color is blue, and blue color is for our throat chakra. You have to speak politely to them. Speak to them that this situation needs both of you. Okay. What is the next? Ability to speak, creating passing passion, easily stressed out. Taking one step at a time. Need solid base. Must eat good and qualify food. I think you both are not as mature as you have to be. You are childish, venomous, poisonous, wonderful, powerful, confident, refuser to dominating. Are predators. Are toxic for others. Harm others when need something. Otherwise, not every time. Do not forgive easily. Do not cross your limits with them. They are tied to their other ones. Their women are brave. Yes. With this situation, in this situation, who is the woman in this situation? They are braver than the man. Yes. This is all for you for today, and I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if this resonates to you, please tell me. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.